How to add or remove phone numbers from fixed dialing number list on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on phone app. Now here, so click on keyboard. So after click on keyboard, click on this three dot icon. So after click on this three dot icon, click on settings. So now in settings, scroll down and click on supplementary services. So after click on supplementary services, you will see after the process, so click on fixed dialing numbers. So you will see click on, if you want to add, so click on FDN list. So if you want to add, click on this three dot icon and click on add. So you will add, so type name, after enter name and type number. So after that, type number sim2 and click on save. So after click on save, so if you want to remove, so just click on this option and click on save. After click on save, your number is showing here. So if you want to remove, so just click on hold on number and click on delete. You will see your number is deleted. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can add or remove phone number from fixed dialing number list on gallery on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.